Some Minecraft players were unable to play their games on Minecraft Launcher with stuck waiting on install error. Without any error message being given, you have to wait for it to install in vain. Regardless of the cause, in this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 1. Restart your system. Some Minecraft players were unable to play their games on Minecraft Launcher with stuck waiting on install error. Without any error message being given, you have to wait for it to install in vain. Regardless of the cause, in this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 2. Log out and log in again. Method 3. Cancel any other installation on the Microsoft Store and the Minecraft Launcher. Cancel your installation from the launcher if you can. If you can't, just close the Minecraft Launcher and go to the Microsoft Store application. Then navigate to Library and be sure you've cancelled any other installation attempts for this application. Once done, open Minecraft Launcher and check if error is fixed. Method 4. Update your system. Make sure your PC is running the latest version of Windows. Check for the updates on your PC. Press Win I to open the settings. Go to Windows Update and see if there is any update available. Download and install it. Try running the installer again and see if that helps. Move on to the next fix if this doesn't help. Method 5. Make sure the client license service clip SVC is enabled. Press Windows key, then type service and press enter. Next, scroll down and find the client license service clip SVC, then enable it. Method 6. Turn off your antivirus and firewall. You can also try disabling your antivirus and then see if the error is fixed or not. The error might be caused due to your overprotective security suite or antivirus. It might be blocking your game from being launched and thus causing the stuck error. Hence, turn off your antivirus and then relaunch the game. Check whether or not the error has stopped now. Method 7. Uninstall and reinstall. Press Windows key, then open Settings. Next, navigate to Apps and select Installed Apps. Scroll down, then uninstall Minecraft Launcher. Final, open Microsoft Store and install Minecraft Launcher again. If still not working, try uninstall, then install Minecraft Launcher on Xbox app.